So this is a project that makes use of the ESP32 microcontroller board and an Arduino interface in order to program logic onto this board. We're making use of three different sensors. The BME 280, this one measures temperature amongst a bunch of other things. The MPU 6050, which is a 3-axis gyroscope and accelerometer sensor, and the TSL 2561. This sensor measures light intensity. We're making use of a liquid crystal display LCD with an I2C interface to make connecting to the board easier. And these three switches are used to control various functions for the program or for the system that we have designed. This button can essentially be ignored. It was just used for testing purposes. And these two LEDs represent two different things each. This one represents the cooling level. So the brighter it is, the more cooling system is supposed to essentially provide. And this is just used as an indicator for that. And this is the lighting level. This essentially indicates how bright or how dim a light needs to be based on the light intensity around. So essentially how this works is we have three different modes. First mode is an automatic mode. So here you can see if I reduce the amount of lux going in, or the light intensity that this sensor perceives, the intensity of this LED also goes down. So this is in the automatic mode. And here, this LED, if the temperature goes up, will also turn on. See, as the temperature is rising, this LED turns on and gets brighter and brighter, and it will start getting dimmer and dimmer as the temperature goes back down. Now we can switch to a different mode. Pressing that button puts us in the manual mode. Now these two buttons are used to increase and decrease the level of these two systems right here, the lighting and the cooling systems represented by the LEDs. So let's try decreasing it. You can press and hold to decrease. And we see the brightness of these two LEDs going lower and lower as I hold the button down. And if I want to increase the brightness, I'll hold up the increase brightness button. If I want to decrease the brightness, I'll hold on the decrease brightness button. So that's how these two buttons and these systems work. And the third mode, which is the gesture control mode, this makes use of the Y value of the accelerometer, which is obtained through this MPU sensor. You can see here the serial monitor printing out all these values, and the way it should work is if you raise this up vertically like this, you can see that the Y value has gone up to around 9 and the LEDs are getting brighter. And if I turn it this way, if I turn it down this way vertically, you can see that the accelerometer has gone to negative 9 here, and the LEDs are as dim as they can be, and they'll become brighter as I turn it back up. So this is the system that I've designed, and this is how it functions.